Hey there, this is Chad with Projul's Customer Success Team. In this video, we're going to talk about adding a new lead into your Projul account. From here, we could simply click on Go to Lead Pipeline from the home page. Additionally, we could click on the Lead Pipeline tab from the left anywhere within the app. Let's click on Lead Pipeline. From here, we could hit the Add a New Project Lead button in the top right. From here, we could choose an existing customer. Say we wanted to work for Bob Vance, we could certainly click on that name and then begin to add a new lead for Bob Vance. Additionally, we could add a new prospective customer. This will create a customer record in addition to creating a new project lead at the same time. We'll go ahead and do that option. Now in this one, we'll just go ahead and add John Smith for Mulligan's Steakhouse. And then we'll go ahead and display the company name as the main contact. From here, we're going to go ahead and add a phone number and then customer address. And we'll go ahead and put this one in here. So 450 108th Avenue Northeast, Bellevue, Washington 98004. Okay, now by default what you can see is the customer address also goes into the project address unless otherwise specified. Additionally, the customer name goes into the project name unless otherwise specified. From here, if we needed to add an additional address, we could into the customer record, and we could actually also just add a john.smith at mulliganssteakhouse.com for an email address. Okay, so that's all the contact information. You can see as we've been adding in the communication records here, this added a new lead into the new lead status of the Projul system here. You'll see the address is listed right here, the phone number, the email address, all that information that we put in is available. Down here, we could say that there is a kitchen tile service for the project type. So we'll select project type and we'll just say kitchen tile service. Okay, so this isn't a project type within the system, so we can simply add a new project type and add this to the list. Now you can see we have kitchen tile service here. Every task or every estimate meeting or everything that gets associated with this new potential job will automatically get the customer record, the customer name, the project name, all of that information in addition to the kitchen tile service project type, the lead source, and all of that sort of information that we can track here within the system so that your estimator and your employees going out to this job, they know everything that they need to within the system, and you don't have to ever enter that information in twice. You just enter it right here at the project level, and all tasks or all other things automatically get that. From here, where you would enter, like I mentioned, the lead source is right here. Say it was Home Advisor. We could go ahead and click on Home Advisor and then add maybe a lead source type, which might be, tile service, right, in this case. And then there's other fields like the likelihood of sale, specifically project details, lead cost if you're tracking the cost of how much each individual lead costs you, and then other things like sales representative, estimator, project manager. All of these things here you can add now or later on in the system when you schedule, say, an estimate meeting. It'll automatically assign whoever you scheduled that meeting for as the estimator of the project so that you don't have to do that manually at this stage. So in this case, this is enough information to get started. We'll go ahead and close this, and we can see that Projul is also going to let us know that we created a new project lead for the Mulligan's Steakhouse John Smith job. And that's adding your first lead here in Projul. Thanks for watching.